Hello, today I will show you how to insert a row or a column in an Excel sheet. So let's get started. If I want to insert a row below this row, so if you want to add a new row below or above a specific row, then you have to select that specific row. Then if you want to add a row above this row, then you have to select this particular row and then do a right click and then click the insert option. You will add a new row above this row. If you want to add a new row below this row, then you will click this row and then click on insert. So we have inserted two rows above and below this row. That is all about inserting a row. If we want to add a new column, then similar way, if you want to add a column on the left side of this column, then you will select this column and then insert. This will insert a new column on the left side of this column. If you want to add a new column on the right side of this column, then you will select this column, this column and then insert. So you have inserted a new column on the right side of this column. So that is all about inserting rows and columns. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video.